Bridge Navigational Watch Alarm System, BNWAS. 1. Objectives. Describe the work principle of Bridge Navigation Watch Alarm System. Mandatory requirements of carrier of BNWAS. History. Purpose, Baudanis, of plugs and IMO. Adopted by IMO June 2009. Submission after vessels collide with road bridge, Danish water. Denmark plugs has required for their vessels since 2033. What are the mandatory requirements of the carrier of BNWAS? The Marine Safety Committee at its 92 session adopted Resolution MSC 150-92 with admitted to SOLAS coming into the force of 1 January 15, 2015. The admitted to the SOLAS Chapter 5 now set a clear time schedule for the implementation of the BNWAS for the ship built before July 1, 2002 as follows. Complies planes. The Maritime Safety Commitment in Session 2 adopted Resolution MSC 350. Adaptation of admitted to the International Convention for the Safety Life and at the Sea 1974 admitted. Regulation 19 carrying requirements for shipboard navigational system and equipment. Shipboard navigational equipment and system. Bridge Navigational Watch Alarm System or BNWAS. Implementation of BNWAS. New build passenger ship, the new build cargo ship, exiting passenger ship, exiting cargo vessel, exiting cargo vessel, over 500 under dorsal. Passenger ship is in respective of size, not later than per survey after 1 January 1, 2016. Cargo ship of 3,000 gross tonnage and upward, not later than per survey after January 1, 2016. Cargo ship of 500 gross tonnage and upward but less than 3,000 gross tonnage, not later than per survey after January 1, 2017. And cargo ship of 150 gross tonnage and upward but less than 500 gross tonnage, not later than per survey after January 1, 2018. Flags Authority requirements. Flag Authority requirements of BAMS Maritime Authority BMA. The BMA stands on PIR as reset method of BNWAS has previously been that they were not acceptable. Administration Maritime Administration. The Station Maritime Administration has outlined the minimum requirements of system installed prior to July 1, 2011 in order that recommended for exception. German Flag Authority. Key flying date after January 1, 1980 and have to be equipped with fixed installed bridge watch alarm. Greek flag states comply with the IMO Resolution MS 128 and the international standard. Marshall Island of BNWAS installed after July 1, 2011 must be type approved to meet the full requirements of MSC. Maritime and Port Authority Singapore or MPA. Singapore has used a circular. MPA Singapore hold the view that PIR motion detector are not acceptable as a method of resetting the BNWAS. Principle of diagram. Bridge area, reset unit, watch alarm, software selector, officer area, PR motion sensor to BDR. Timer reset function and visual indicator. Timer set function. Visual indicator, BNWS, motion sensor, autopilot screening gear, 8Ds, radar, time reset panel. Watch safety sequence, dormant, pre-warning, first stage, second stage, third stage. What are the performance standard for bridge navigation and watch alarm system? Performance standard. 1. Operation mode, automatic, manual on, manual off. Number 2. Operational sequence of indication and alarm. 3. Reset function. 4. Emergency call facility. 5. Accuracy. 6. Security. 7. Malfunction indication. 8. Operational control. 9. Reset facilities. 10. Representation of information or visual indicator. First stage bridge audio alarm. Second, third stage remote audio alarm. 11. Direct equipment should comply with IMO resolution, Associated International Standard, and MSC guidelines for government certain of bridge equipment and layout. 12. System physical integrity. 13. Reset device. 14. Power supply. 15. Interface input output. What is the sole purpose of bridge navigational watch alarm? The purpose of BNWS bridge navigational watch alarm is to monitor bridge activity and detect operator disability which could lead to maritime accident. BNWS is monitoring that watch officer present through watch safety system function.